Feeling stressed about money but still want to enjoy life? You're not alone. With inflation and rising costs, it's easy to think that hobbies and fun are out of your budget, but that's far from the truth. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 budget-friendly hobbies that not only cost little to nothing, but also help you relax, grow, and connect with others. Whether you're a creative soul, an active adventurer, or a social butterfly, I've got something for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with hobbies for the creative souls out there. These activities don't just help you express yourself, but can also be done on a budget. All you need for drawing and sketching is a pencil and some paper. Simple, right? With free tutorials on platforms like YouTube and apps like Sketchbook, you can turn a blank page into a masterpiece without spending much. If you enjoy writing, whether it's journaling, blogging, or creative writing, this hobby only requires your thoughts and a pen, or your keyboard. You can join free online communities like Wattpad or Medium to share your work and connect with other writers. For photography enthusiasts, you don't need an expensive camera to start. Your smartphone is enough. Use free apps like Snapseed or Canva for editing and share your work on platforms like Instagram. Next, let's talk about hobbies for those who love to move and stay active. Hiking and exploring is one of the best free activities out there. Grab some comfy shoes and head to your nearest park or nature trail. Not only is it great exercise, but it's also an incredible way to clear your mind. Cycling is another amazing way to explore your surroundings and stay fit. A used bicycle can be found affordably online, and many communities have free cycling groups you can join. Yoga is fantastic for both your body and mind, and you don't need expensive classes to start. Free YouTube channels like Yoga with Adriene offer beginner-friendly lessons, and apps like Insight Timer provide free meditation guides. Lastly, for the social butterflies, here are some hobbies that bring people together without breaking the bank. Volunteering is not just free, it's fulfilling. Whether you're helping at an animal shelter or organizing events in your community, volunteering connects you with people and gives back to society. You can also bring friends or family together for a board game night. Classic games like Uno or Scrabble are affordable, and you can reuse them for years of fun. If you love reading, join a local or online book club. Libraries let you borrow books for free, and online forums like Goodreads help you connect with other readers globally. There you have it. 5 budget-friendly hobbies that prove you don't need to spend a lot to live a full and happy life. Remember, budgeting isn't just about cutting costs. It's about making room for the things that truly matter to you. So, which of these hobbies are you excited to try? Or do you have a budget-friendly favorite of your own? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the Finance Fixer, and turn on notifications. Together, we'll continue to explore ways to live well and spend smart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.